Hi, I'm Emma from Queanbeyan-Palerang Libraries, and today I've been making Ooblek Slime. Ooblek Slime is a non-Newtonian fluid. It doesn't follow Newton's law of viscosity. It's a liquid, it's a fluid, and it's runny, but when you put force on it, you apply pressure, it becomes a solid. So it's runny and hard. Let's have a look. What you'll need for today's experiment is a mixing bowl and a spoon, some water, some corn flour, some food colouring. I'm going to choose blue today, and a 1/2 cup measure. First thing we're going to do is put 1/2 cup of the corn flour into our bowl. Then we're going to fill up the same measuring cup with some water, with just a little bit of space in there, because we're going to add a few drops of the food colouring in there. In goes the blue food colouring, and then I'll carefully just give that a little mix up while it's still in the measuring cup. Okay, now we're going to put all of the corn flour to one side and very slowly add a little bit of the liquid to the side of the bowl. And then we're just going to stir a little bit of the corn flour at a time in. We don't want to put the whole lot or it's not going to mix very well. So we're just going to do a slow process of gradually adding the liquid to the corn flour. When it's all combined there, we'll just add a little bit more with the spoon and keep mixing. When that liquid has gone solid and you feel like you can't stir it very well anymore, we'll add a bit more of our liquid from our cup and continue to do the same thing, adding small bits of the corn flour and mixing that in. If it's a little too wet, like mine's turned out to be, you can always just add a little dusting of some more corn flour, little bit at a time, and mix that in until it gets a bit thicker again. Now let's have a play. You can actually pick it up like it's hard, and then it just drips off your fingers. The feeling is incredible. You'll have to make it to try it. You can see if you can scrunch it. It feels like a solid, but yet you can see that it's quite runny as well. And that is our Ooblek slime. Very easy to make, very fun to play with, very cool to touch. You have to feel it. So there you go. I hope you give Ooblek slime a go at home, and I hope you have just as much fun as making it as I did. Thanks for joining us.